Hello everyone. Now I am going to see a new method of video interaction tool with the students. It's called the Flipgrid, right? So you can sign up to an Flipgrid using your existing Microsoft account or a Google account. Let me try with my existing Google account which I used for the classwork. So this is my educator sign up. So I am going to log in with my Google. So this is the same Google ID which I used for my Google Classroom. It's successful. Okay, I here a grid means a classroom. I already have a technical education classroom. Let me create a new classroom, like add new grid. So here this is some let me say it's a biology class. It's a biology class. So student can use student ID, email ID, okay, and next. So the IDs like Gmail should be accepted, right? If you are in a particular school, see in our college we have a mvit.edu.in email ID. If I use it, only that ID can be logged in to this class. So I can use Gmail for instance. So I will give my email ID, right? So this domain is accepted. Next. So my classroom is this flipped classroom. I can share my classroom. I can share my Flipgrid as an assignment to my class. So to do that, here there is an option. You can click this Google. So it goes to the classroom of the same mail ID. So select the class, teach through online, right? And then choose action. It is an something like an assignment or just ask a question. Okay, create assignment, or I will put it as something like ask a question, go. So here it's an question like biology class. Instruction is record a video as answer. So you can give like this. So there is no point, let it be ungraded. So these are some of the things, and you can post it as ask. Okay, the student can now I am going to edit my grid. What is happening in this classroom? I have shared it. So now go to grid, or you can copy this and send it to students as a class code. Okay, now I can go to grid. So this is my biology class. I am going to add a topic or a question. So add a topic. Your about you, biology of you, about you, right? This is my question. Title of this. If you want, you can prompt what to be done by the students. The students should record a video for 30 seconds. Then you can post your question as a video, or you can upload a lecture and then ask the students to answer, or you can upload an image as question or emoji as whatever it is. So now I will show how to record a video and ask a question. So I am going to record a video. See, this is my video here. I can have, it's a lot of fun like Instagram. I can add text around me like hi. Okay, I think it's not visible here. And I can have emojis or stickers for you can add a hat. Okay, I am a king now, so that my video will be with this crown. Okay. I am going to record a video now, right? So the question here is what is your BMI? Okay, I have recorded the video. The question here is what is your BMI? The question here is, now I can take a selfie so that it is visible to the students as we posted. Now take a selfie. The selfie, let me put a cool selfie. It takes time. Yeah, I got it. It's fun learning, so let the student teachers barrier can be broke. Okay, I'm going to take a selfie now. See, the whatever selfie I take will be the icon for my video. Now it is being uploaded. Okay, so it's complete. So I have done my video or post a question. I have created the topic. Okay, options. You can have more options like topic tip, topic attachments. You can attach something, or you can see whether there is some likes or a view count, whatever it is, like just like YouTube, whatever they can do, students can do it. You can do some modifications and create the topic. So I have created a topic. Your topic is createful. See, the topic ID is this, so I can copy this, or I can just set it all. I can copy this, and you can see if I paste it here, this is my topic. So it will go to the Flipgrid question. Okay, that is students can do it. You can send this as a link, or you can go for QR scanner, so that a student has a Flipgrid in their mobile. They can scan this QR and answer your question directly. Or the other way about is you can go to Google Classroom and do it. So let us see how a student does this in their Google Classroom. So we'll go to Google Classroom. Biology question is here. So student will go here. They will go for a Flipgrid question. So they have to log in with Google, because that is the domain name that we have given. So this is the student's name. They are logging in. So login successfully. So they have come to my biology class. See, they will see what is my question. The question here is what is your BMI? Okay. So the student can respond using this plus icon. The student can either record a video. It is asking for permission. Allow. Yeah, I am the student now. I don't want to show my face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an emoji, because in both the cases I am the teacher and student. So let me cover my face. I don't want to show my face. So I'm going to put an emoji here, and I'm going to record. My BMI is 33 and I am in the obese category. My BMI is 33 and I am in the obese category. Okay, here too the student can put a selfie of them, so that there are a lot of options. It is more like an Instagram, where they can play with the students can play here. So this is their selfie. I'm going to take a selfie here, and next the student is posting his answer. It's a live interactive video tool. They can do in the mobile. The same options whatever you get here is it can be seen in their mobile Flipgrid, and they can do it. See, they can have a Google Classroom in their mobile, and as I showed here, if they click it, they will be the information whatever you see here will be opened in their mobile, and they can easily do it, right? So Flipgrid name to be displayed, it's a Maha. Title link, you can submit the video, right? The video is submitted. Your Flipgrid, you can see the biology class. In the biology class you have asked a question, click this. You can see one response here, somebody has answered it. You can see this answer. So whatever the student has recorded, my BMI is 33 and I am in the obese category. See, you can comment here, thank you, good. You can have you give marks for their ideas. Okay, something of this sort. This will be useful for oral kind of interviews, right? So you can email feedback so that they will get it through their mail, okay, or share the response in Google Classroom, right? Copy, choose class. So you can do a lot of fun with this. This is another way of going, like for Tamil teachers and other people, they can ask somebody to recite their Tirukural or English poem recitation. Younger people, particularly வந்து young children will love this. அவங்க வந்து ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் இது ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி போடுறது வீடியோ, இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் யங்கர் ஏஜ் வில் லவ் திஸ் for oral test questions, so that you can evaluate and have lots of fun. Thank you.